It is Wednesday, the 14th, and I'm going to the beach with my friend. And it's 9 o'clock, and she's on her way. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So this is my cover-up. Aeropostale, Target. Bathing suit top from Target. And the bottom is from Hollister. And I'm so excited to go to the beach, and I'm gonna vlog. See ya. On our way to the beach. We got a full hour here today. We're so excited. It's starting to drizzle. It's like 68 degrees. I hope the water's nice. Oh my god, it's cold.
Yeah, there's no way I'm going in. There's no way I'm going in.
It's freezing.
It's so cold.
Marrying Myra.
Oh, good.
Oh my god, this seagull just attacked Myra twice, hit her in the face. We're eating our sandwiches. Uh-oh. There they are. Oh my god. Get out of here.
Uh-oh.
Where did Myra go? She ran away.
She ran away. She's on the highway. But you see, they won't wear sunscreen.
Oh, here's the sun. Uh-oh. Get away. You don't want my sandwich. It's just ham. Get out of here.
Oh my god, what do they eat? They eat some of the garbage.
Oh my god. They're crazy. Holy shit. They're like, oh my god. Hiding from the seagulls? Hello vlog. We're currently cold. We're doing a little photo shoot for the gram. Yeah, it's getting cloudy. Bye. So Myra's getting her phone and it's starting to rain again and I'm mad. Okay.
Kayla.
Wait. Why? Very cloudy. Might go in the car. It's going to rain and my purse, I don't want to get wet. It's my baby. Hello, it's 1:35. We're just chilling in the car.
Go get my bucket in that book.
She's reading.
No, I'm not. I
Yes,
never
she
read.
is.
I
And I'm
don't
just-
read. I hate reading.
And I'm just editing Instagram pictures. And they just went back on the beach. And we're waiting till it gets hotter and stops raining. Bye. Got a Kai bowl. Yummy. And the water. I heading back to the beach. Myra! Let's try a bowl, see if it's better than mine. Kind of tastes watery. Definitely tastes a kind. It's good. Mine's better though. You're definitely zooming in on me. It's 4:18 and we're heading back. Cake batter. This is a kitty and it was 3 scoops. 2. Yummy.
I know. And even the one house
Waterproof mascara is kind of running.
So do you have data?
How was your ice cream, Myra? It was really good.
The base I did for right here with the heat. Is that part of the dish?
Just taking it. Maybe like 10-15 minutes ago from.
Okay, yeah, it's fixed now.
It's constantly running. Hi, so we just got home. Right now it is 6:47 and had such a fun day and had some good ice cream. And I hope you enjoyed this beach vlog. Bye!